The long tail cast on starts with a long tail. You will need about 3 times the width of your edge, and you're going to hold the yarn in slingshot position with the tail coming over your thumb and the working yarn going over your index finger. You can start with a slip knot, or you can start by inserting your needle tip into the opening between your finger and your thumb from top to bottom, pulling out and then pivoting up. And then you go under the thumb loop and catch an index finger strand, like so. Under the thumb, catch the index finger strand, pull that through the thumb loop. To control the tightness of this cast on, you want to focus on the spacing of the stitches. So going up or down in needle size does not really affect the tightness or looseness of the cast on. This cast on is, because it's a long tail cast on, the tightness is controlled by the spacing between the stitches. To make it looser, make the spacing larger. To make it tighter, make the spacing smaller. Long tail cast on is considered the industry standard, so most publications will assume that you know how to work the long tail cast on, and if a cast on is not called out by name, it will be assumed that you are using the long tail cast on. This cast on has a right and a wrong side. You can choose which to use. Neither is incorrect. The right side, or forward presenting side, has a cabled looking appearance. The wrong side has a purl bump appearance. If you want the smooth side to be facing forward for your right side, you will need to work a wrong side row as your first row. If you want the bumpy appearance to be facing forward on the right side, you will need to work a right side row as your first row after the cast on. So that's the long tail cast on.